Hello. We will go through a few techniques that will enhance your typing expertise in Word document. In this tutorial, we will explore Word's Overtype mode for direct text replacement, and also we are going to discuss activating click and type mode for flexible insertion point movement within the text, and also Word's auto suggestion feature. So let's start with activating and utilizing Overtype mode first. By default, our Word document is in insert mode. We normally use hit backspace method by which we delete a word and then type another word, which can be time consuming. Overtype mode offers a solution, and that actually replaces the word completely. To activate Overtype mode, navigate to File menu, then proceed to select Options at the bottom of the left-hand navigation pane. Click Advanced, and from here, under Editing Options, we have Use Insert Key to control Overtype mode. So we'll enable this by clicking the checkbox, and we'll also enable Use Overtype mode. Once both of them are activated, to save the changes, we'll click OK, and now we can utilize Overtype mode. In order to make sure that we are in Overtype mode or insert mode, we can activate this feature by right click on the status bar. This will allow us to bring Overtype onto the status bar. That means clicking this title, we can switch between Overtype and insert. Let's try this. Here we go. We can also switch between insert and Overtype by pressing insert key on our keyboard. There we go. So with Overtype mode configuration in place, let's replace some word. In our case, we want to replace 4 with 5. So let's start typing. And here you go. What it does, it replaces that word. This dynamic mode switching is reflected in real time on status bar. Now, for the second technique, that is called click and type mode, Word typically places the insertion point at the start of a line or at the end of the last word clicked. So that's the start, and when we click anywhere around the sentence, the insertion point is always the end of the word. Sometimes we want to add a word at a specific location. Most of the time, when we write letters or email, we try to type something on a different location. In order to do that, we need to have click and type mode enabled. To achieve this, we can enable the click and type feature from the options menu. Options. Similarly, we'll click advanced, and from advanced, we'll click enable click and type. The default paragraph style is normal. We'll leave it as is, and we'll save the changes by clicking OK. Now you can relocate the insertion point anywhere within the text by simply double clicking. Let's navigate to the end of the text to illustrate this functionality. For instance, let's say on tab 5, I'll just double click, and here you go. We can start typing our name. With this simple action, we have precisely positioned the insertion point at our desired location. Let's talk about the last technique we wanted to use, and that was auto suggestions feature for frequently used words. For instance, when typing a month's name, an auto suggested word appears above the text. Let's type December, and it did not. So in order to activate the auto suggestion feature, we need to click File. We'll click Options again, and then come to Advanced Under editing option, we have show auto complete suggestion, and we'll click that. And to save changes, we'll click OK. And now let's type December again. And here you go. And while we are typing, the suggestion comes up right above the text. So just by clicking enter, we inserted that month. I hope these techniques will work well for you, and these will enhance your expertise in Word document. If you like the video, please leave a thumbs up and share the video. Thank you.